Hello everyone and welcome back to 2 Minutes with Tyler. For those who are tuning in for the first time, my friends and I here at UpKeep have developed the industry-leading mobile-first maintenance management system. Our cloud-based software is helping businesses across many different industries process work orders and track asset performance more efficiently than ever before. Our Los Angeles-based headquarters is growing fast, so I'd like to take a couple of minutes each week to introduce you to the amazing employees that are working hard behind the scenes to ensure our customers achieve their goals. I'm honored to introduce you to our guest, Sophie, who plays a super important role here at UpKeep. Sophie, please tell me about yourself and what you do here.
Absolutely, thank you. So I am an account executive here in the Los Angeles office. As an account executive, I have the most fun job ever. All day I get to talk to incredible customers all over the world, learn about their needs, and improve how their businesses run. Is just incredible.
Awesome. You're so passionate about this work. I love it.
I am. I really do. It's so interesting. I love it.
I would definitely buy UpKeep for you. So we're growing very fast here at UpKeep. I'm sure you probably have some friends that are asking you, if we have any job openings.
Definitely.
And what's great is we do. We have a lot of them. If they asked you what it was like to work at UpKeep, what would you tell them?
Yeah. So I guess my favorite things about UpKeep and why it's such a great place to work here, really the first one is going to be our customers. 80% of the workforce isn't at a desk. So we actually have created a software directly targeting them and making their lives and jobs easier. It's phenomenal. I read a statistic just today that only 1% of software being created is for those deskless workers.
Wow.
So we're really a part of something special here.
Yeah.
So that's really, really fun. And then the other thing is really our team. We just have such an amazing company culture, and that was actually the first thing that I looked for when I was looking for jobs. Yeah. I literally just looked up best company culture in LA, and you guys came up, and from the moment I walked in, everybody has just been such a family. Everyone's so happy. Everyone's just a joy to come to work with every day. So yeah, that's why I would definitely recommend it, and I do.
Very cool.
Yeah.
I could not agree more. Well, Sophie, thank you so much for your time today. I really do appreciate it. I'll let you get back to selling.
All right.
And thank you all for tuning in. We will see you next time.